Hello, so this is part 2 of modification section. In this video, we will discuss how we can add a row to the existing data frame. So without further delay, let's get started. And I will run this cell and I have already done this part. I am importing a data frame which is stored in my local folder, and I will using head function to display the content of the CSV file. In the CSV file, I have a column name is index data underscore 1 data underscore 2 and index 0 1 2, and these are the content. So let's assume that you want to add a row to the existing data frame, which is df, and the index is 3 and the content is 4 df and g. Let's do it, and then I will run it. So you will see that I have appended a row with 3 4 d and g. So I will uncomment this and I will rerun again. So you see, because now I'm running 2 times, at the location number 3 I'm passing the list of the data, which is 4 d and g, and again I'm passing the same at the same location, same row number, and the data is different, but you can see that it overwrite the data. So we can say that we can add, but sometimes let's assume that by mistake it is true, and you run it, then you will get a data loss because it will override. So to avoid this, we have to use a function name which is called append. So append is what it will do is it will append to the end of data frame, which is this data frame, and then end. So let's assume that we can pass an dictionary as well. So I'm saying at index which is 4 data underscore is easy, and I'm not passing data underscore 2, so you will get an. Okay, so I will run this, and it's taking a few seconds. So you can see that it will add a row which is 4, and that these are the value 4 and e and n, because we did not pass the data underscore 2 value. And along with that, you have something extra, which is saying like future warning: the frame method is deprecated and will be moved from the pandas future versions. Use pandas.concat instead. So this is saying like this append method is no longer used, and we have to use pandas.concat. So in upcoming video we will discuss the pandas.concat method. So because this is deprecated means it's no longer used. So okay, so maybe you have question like, we just appending a row. What if someone wants to add a this is 2 times because I rerun the cell again, that is why. So let's assume that you want to insert a row which is between these 2 and 3. The index number is 2 and 3. So there is no functions, the defined functions. We have to use our custom functions. So what we will do is we will use our customized functions. So this is the custom function that I wrote. So basically it's saying that I'm passing at a location number 2 there is a function. The custom function name is insert underscore row underscore 2, which is insert underscore row underscore 2, and I'm passing at the index of 2 we have to insert a row values. So row values are these, right? Okay, so if we go to the and insert underscore row function, so it will splitting the data frame into two, uh, which is 0 column row number, which is 2, right? And the second data frame is from row number 2 to end of the data frame, and then at the end of first data frame we are passing. It's like a splitting a one row into two parts, and at the end of first part we will append the new row, and then at the end of we will add again, right? And then we are reassigning the indent. So if I run it, then you will say that at the df, which was originally this one, right, 35, and I inserted here 6x, which are the value 6x, right? We have a warning which is saying like we are a value is trying to set a copy of slice of from the data frame. So basically that's mean that we are modifying a data frame in the functions. That is not our policy. So what we will do is we just copy. So if you go to the error is in this function. So def1.location is where we are modifying the existing data frame. So what we can do is we just use the copy function and rerun it again. So this time we will not get any error, right? Okay, so that's it. This is for a video. I know this is a longer video, but there is a lots of there is lot of concept, and in upcoming video we will discuss the pandas.concat method. Thank you for watching.